Make a great choice today with 2005 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lights, inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.